Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. I've often talked about using Wi Fi on public services. So when you go out, you go to a cafe, maybe you're going to rent a hotel room, and you use, of course, the Wi Fi available at that place. Once again, be very careful. A report coming out says that more and more hacks, and when I say hacks, like stealing credentials like account passwords and bank information, is getting more and more popular through public Wi Fi. And they are actually putting an emphasis even more on the Wi Fi that are in hotels. An example of that, Microsoft has warned everybody that some of the people losing access to their Microsoft 365 accounts can be traced back to malware that is within the Wi Fi of hotels and that actually can steal all the information needed to log in and, of course, change everything on your Microsoft 365 account. So be very, very careful. My recommendation is always that if you have a smartphone, have enough data to just stay on the cellular data. And even if you go on a trip in another country, check online, check it out. There are ways to actually have a different SIM card that will give you, cheap access to cell data from that country rather than connecting to the Wi Fi of an hotel. If you absolutely do have to connect to Wi Fi, of public Wi Fi, hotel Wi Fi, remember one thing you need to know, and it's the fact that in the network and internet settings, make sure that when you're connected, you can see that the little dot here is in public network. Don't go on any public Wi Fi by clicking private network. Private network is meant to be only in your home with your known computers and devices. The public network changes windows so that it actually locks down, so it is not possible to do file sharing, or it will not be visible on the network. So make sure that you are on public network and the options of your Wi-Fi when you are actually connected to a public Wi-Fi, if you absolutely must. But the preferred method, honestly, and I do that all the time, I never connect to public Wi-Fi, is to use your cell data. You can use your smartphone as a hub and have it connected to your devices, your laptop, for example, for internet access. This is much safer as it keeps your connection only on your mobile internet service provider. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.